Hey everyone, hi. My name is Alex. I'm from the United States, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi, guys. I'm Emma. I'm also from the US, and we're so excited to practice English with you. Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you so much. If you want to improve your English speaking, you're in the right place.
Exactly. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I feel calm today. I woke up early, made some tea, and did a little stretching. What about you?
Wow, stretching. Look at you. My morning was okay. I woke up late again.
Again? Alex.
I know. I said I wanted to build healthy habits, but my bed was just so comfortable.
I understand. My bed feels like a big, soft cloud in the morning. It's very hard to leave.
Yes, especially in winter. It's cold outside, and you just want to stay under the blanket forever.
So true. But today, we are talking about something very important.
Yes, today's topic is healthy habits.
And we will talk slowly and clearly so you can practice your English listening and speaking.
Maybe you can even repeat after us. That's a great way to improve.
Yes. So, Alex, when you hear the words healthy habits, what do you think about?
I think about eating vegetables, drinking water, sleeping early, exercising, all the things I don't always do.
At least you're honest.
What about you?
I think about small daily actions, not big, scary changes, just small things we do every day, like drinking enough water or walking for 20 minutes.
That's interesting. So for you, healthy habits are small and simple?
Yes, because if something is too big, I feel stressed. And when I feel stressed, I stop.
Oh, wow. That's me too. One time I said, I will go to the gym every day for 1 hour.
That sounds very ambitious.
Yes, and I went for 3 days.
Only 3?
Only 3. On the 4th day, I was tired. My body hurt. I said, maybe tomorrow. And tomorrow never came.
That happens to many people. We try to change everything at once.
Exactly. So maybe a healthy habit should be small and realistic.
Yes. For example, I started with drinking 1 extra glass of water every day.
That's it?
That's it.
That sounds very easy.
It is. But that's the point. It's easy, so I actually do it.
That makes sense. Sometimes we think healthy means difficult.
Yes, but healthy can be simple, like going to bed 30 minutes earlier.
Oof, that one is hard for me.
Why?
Because at night I like to watch videos on my phone. I say, just one more video. And then it's 1 a.m.
I've been there. Blue light from the phone is not good before sleep.
I know, I read about that. It can make your brain feel awake.
Yes, so one healthy habit I'm trying now is no phone 30 minutes before bed.
Wow, and what do you do instead?
I read a book, or I just sit quietly. Sometimes I write in a journal.
A journal? That sounds peaceful.
It is. I write about my day, I write what I'm grateful for.
Grateful. That's a great word, everyone. It means thankful.
Yes, when I write 3 things I'm grateful for, I feel happy and calm.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Yesterday, I wrote, I'm grateful for sunny weather, I'm grateful for my morning coffee, and I'm grateful for my friend who called me.
That's so nice. It's simple things.
Yes, healthy habits are not only about the body, they are also about the mind.
That's very important. Mental health is important too.
Definitely. So, Alex, do you have any healthy eating habits?
I try. I really try. I eat fruit in the morning.
That's good. What kind of fruit?
Usually a banana or an apple, sometimes both if I'm very hungry.
That's a good start.
But I also love pizza and burgers and fries.
You sound very American right now.
I know, and I enjoy them, but I try not to eat them every day.
That's the key. Balance.
Yes, balance is another good word. It means not too much and not too little.
Exactly. You can enjoy pizza sometimes, but maybe not for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay, I understand.
I used to eat a lot of sweets when I felt stressed.
Really?
Yes, If I had a bad day at work, I would buy chocolate. A lot of chocolate.
That sounds like comfort food.
Yes, exactly. Comfort food is food that makes you feel better emotionally.
That's such a useful phrase, comfort food.
But I realized something.
What?
The chocolate made me feel good for maybe 10 minutes. Then I felt tired and a little guilty.
I know that feeling.
So now, when I feel stressed, I try to go for a short walk instead.
And does it help?
Yes, fresh air helps a lot, even 15 minutes.
I think walking is one of the easiest healthy habits.
I agree. You don't need a gym, you don't need money, just shoes.
And maybe comfortable clothes.
Yes, please. Don't walk in high heels.
Good advice.
Do you walk often?
Not as often as I should, but when I do, I feel better. My head feels clear.
That's because movement helps your brain too.
I notice that when I sit all day, I feel lazy and slow.
Me too. Our bodies are not made to sit all day.
So maybe we can give our viewers a small challenge.
Oh, I like that idea.
Okay, everyone watching, today, after this video, take a 10-minute walk.
Yes, just 10 minutes. You can walk around your house, your building, or your street.
And while you walk, you can practice English.
That's a great idea. You can talk to yourself in English.
For example, I am walking. The weather is nice. I see a dog.
Yes, simple sentences are perfect.
That's how you improve speaking. Use English in daily life.
Healthy habit for your body and your English at the same time.
I love that.
Another healthy habit is drinking enough water.
Oh yes, I forget to drink water.
Many people do. Sometimes we think we are hungry, but actually we are thirsty.
Really?
Yes, our body sends signals, but we don't always understand them.
That's interesting. So maybe next time I want a snack, I should drink water first.
Exactly. Wait a few minutes, then see how you feel.
I'm going to try that.
Good. And what about sleep? How many hours do you sleep?
Maybe 6 hours.
That's not a lot.
I know. I should sleep 7 or 8 hours.
Sleep is very important. When we sleep well, we think better, we feel happier.
And we don't feel angry so easily.
Yes, lack of sleep can make us moody.
Moody means your emotions change easily.
Exactly.
I remember one time I slept only 4 hours.
Oh no.
The next day, someone dropped a pin near me and I felt so annoyed.
Poor person.
I know, it wasn't their fault. I was just tired.
Sleep really changes everything.
So maybe tonight I will put my phone away earlier.
I support you. I will ask you tomorrow if you did it.
Oh no, now I feel pressure.
Friendly pressure.
That's good. Sometimes we need support from friends.
Yes, building healthy habits is easier when we are not alone.
That's true. You can tell your friend, let's be healthy together.
Or let's practice English together.
Exactly. You can even comment below and tell us your healthy habit.
Yes, we would love to read your comments. So Alex, what is one healthy habit you would choose only one?
Only one. That's hard. I know, but try.
Okay, I would choose sleeping well.
Really? Not exercise?
No, because when I sleep well, I have energy. Then I can exercise, I can eat better, I can think clearly.
That makes sense. Sleep is like the base, the foundation.
Yes, the foundation. Good word.
For me, I think I would choose daily movement, even small movement.
Why?
Because when I move my body, I feel alive, I feel strong, and my mood improves.
That's beautiful.
Wow, that sounded dramatic.
It's okay. Healthy habits can be emotional.
That's true. They are not just actions. They change how we feel about ourselves.
Yes, when I keep a promise to myself, I feel proud.
Oh, that's powerful, keeping a promise to yourself.
For example, if I say I will drink water today, and I do it, I feel strong.
Even if it's something small.
Especially if it's small. Small wins are important.
I like that phrase, small wins.
They build confidence.
So maybe the message today is, don't try to change your whole life in one day.
Yes, start small, be kind to yourself.
And practice English every day, even for 5 minutes.
You can listen to videos like this.
Or speak in front of a mirror.
Or describe your healthy habits in English.
For example, today I drank 2 glasses of water. I went for a short walk.
Perfect, simple sentences.
Before we finish, I want to ask you something, Emma.
Okay, what is it?
What is one unhealthy habit you are still working on?
I sometimes skip breakfast when I'm busy.
That's not good.
I know. Then later I feel very hungry and tired.
So what can you do?
Maybe prepare something simple the night before, like yogurt and fruit.
That's a smart idea.
See, we are still learning too.
Yes, we are not perfect.
And you don't need to be perfect either.
Just a little better every day.
That's enough.
So friends, thank you so much for spending this time with us.
We hope you learned new words and felt inspired to build healthy habits.
Remember, small steps. Drink water, move your body, sleep well.
And practice English every day.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe to our channel.
Like this video and share it with your friends who want to improve their English.
We really appreciate your support.
Take care of your body, take care of your mind.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!